Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again. Because the vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow street of cobblestone. In the halo of a street lamp, I turned my car to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stared at the flash of a neon light that split tonight and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 1,000 people waiting, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there stirred the sound of silence. Who said I didn't know? Silence like a dancing rose. Read my words that I might reach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. And my walls like such with your heaven. Echo of silence. And people bow to pray to the neon Catholic day. And the sun clouds out its warning, and the words that it was for me, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls. Until the cold is sound of silence.